From Actionable Ops, here's how to give Hermes the web with Web Search and Extract. Two tools cover the whole story. Web Search ranks results. Web Extract pulls the readable content from a URL. The agent decides when to call which, you just configure the provider. There are 8 backends. Pick by cost and feature. Firecrawl is the default with 500 free credits a month and does search and extract. SearXNG is fully free and self-hosted, but search only. Brave gives you 2,000 free queries a month. DDGS is DuckDuckGo, no key needed. Tavily gives 1,000 free with extract. Exa, Parallel, and XAI are paid options for specialized cases. The easiest path. On a news portal subscription, the tool gateway runs managed Firecrawl. No API key needed. Otherwise, drop one key in .env, Firecrawl API key, or Brave Search API key, or Tavily API key, and you are off. You can mix and match. Use SearXNG for free search and Firecrawl for extract in the same config. The per capability split is just 2 lines in config.yaml. Hermes routes each tool to the right backend. Now the trick most people miss. Web Extract is smart about big pages. Under 5,000 characters, it returns the page as is. Up to 500,000, it summarizes with an auxiliary model. Up to 2 million characters, it chunks and synthesizes. Beyond that, it refuses and asks for a more focused URL. That auxiliary model defaults to your main chat model. On an expensive model like Opus, every long page extract burns reasoning tokens. So route the Web Extract auxiliary slot to a cheap, fast model like Gemini Flash, and your context stays clean and your bill stays low. If you need raw, unsummarized page content, like scraping a structured page where the LLM summary would drop fields, use Browser Navigate and Browser Snapshot instead. The browser tool returns the live accessibility tree without rewriting. That's Hermes Web Search and Extract, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.